Chapter 7 Coordinate Geometry. Dear students, in this video I explain exercise 7.1 ninth problem. Under ninth problem there are 3 questions. For previous first to 8 questions, refer the previous videos. Please watch the previous videos. Now the ninth question. Name the type of quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points and give reasons for your answer. The first question. -1, -2, 1, 0, -1, 2, -3, 0. 4 points are given. Welcome to Maths World 111 111. Andhra Pradesh and Telangana State 10th class. Coordinate Geometry. Exercise 7.1, the ninth problem. Under ninth problem, the first one. Name the type of quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points and give reasons for your answer. The first question. -1, -2, 1, 0, -1, 2 and -3, 0. Solution. Given 4 points. Let A -1, -2, B 1, 0, C -1, 2 and D -3, 0 are the given points. So these are the 4 points. So we have to name the type of quadrilateral. The quadrilateral may be the square or the parallelogram. So name the type of the quadrilateral formed by these 4 points. So how can we say the given figure is a square or parallelogram? Suppose if all the sides AB, BC, CD and AD are equal and the two diagonals AC and BD are also equal, then we can call it is a square. In case of parallelogram, the opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. Opposite sides are equal. And the diagonals AC and BD are not equal. This is the condition. So using these given points A, B, C, D, first find out AB, BC, CD, AD. And the diagonals also AC and BD and compare. So using the distance formula, we have to find first AB, BC, CD, AD, BD and AC. Okay? What is the distance formula? Let A x1, y1 and B x2, y2 are points. So the distance between the points A and B is denoted by AB is equal to, what is the formula? We know square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. Now start finding first AB. So AB is nothing but the distance between the points A and B. Here A -1, -2. So x1 is equal to -1, y1 is equal to -2. B is 1, 0. So B x2 is equal to 1 and y2 is equal to 0. Just simply substituting these values x1, y1, x2, y2 in the formula, we get AB. So that is equal to square root of x2 minus x1. So 1 minus of -1 whole square, understand? Plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is 0 minus of -2 whole square. So 1 minus of -1 whole square, minus into minus plus, so 1 plus 1, that is 2, 2 square, that is 4, that is equal to root of 4. You got it now? And plus 0 minus of -2, minus into minus plus 0 plus 2, 2, 2 square, 2 into 2, 4. You got this. So root of 4 plus 4, that is root 8. And root 8 can be written as 4 into 2, so 4 2s are 8, root 4 into 2. So root 4 into 2 can be written as root 4 into root 2. We know the value of root 4, that is 2. That is equal to 2 root 2. AB is completed. So AB is completed. Now BC, find out BC. BC is nothing but the distance between the points B and C. B is 1 comma 0 and C is minus 1 comma 2. Okay, B is 1 comma 0. Just simply substitute. This is x1 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to 0, and C, x2 is equal to minus 1, y2 is equal to 2. So BC is equal to square root of, simply substitute these values. X2 minus x1 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square 2 minus 0 whole square. So minus 1 is minus 2. So minus 2 whole square is minus 2 into minus 2, minus into minus plus 2 into 2, 4. So 4, here we get 4. And 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 square is 4. That is equal to square root of 4 plus 4. You got it now? 4 plus 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8, root 8. And root 8 can be written as root 4 into 2. 4 to 8. So root 4 into 2 can be written as root 4 into root 2. What is the value of root 4? 2. So that is equal to 2 root 2. So BC is completed. Now CD. So CD is nothing but the distance between the points C and D. This one. So C is minus 1 comma 2. So x1 is equal to minus 1, y1 is equal to 2. D is minus 3 comma 0. So x2, second point, x2 is equal to minus 3 and y2 is equal to 0. Simply substitute these values x1, y1, x2, y2 in the formula. So we get CD is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square, CD. So x2 is this one, minus 3 minus of minus 1 whole square. You got this? Okay? Plus y2 minus y1 whole square, CD. So 0 minus 2 whole square. Understand na? Okay. Minus 3 minus into minus plus 1. So minus 3 plus 1 whole square. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 whole square is minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. So here we get 4 plus 0 minus 2 whole square. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. So minus 2 whole square is minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. So that is equal to root of 4 plus 4. We got this. 4 plus 4 is 8. That is equal to root 8. And I can write this root 8 as root 4 into 2. Root 4 into 2 is written as root 4 into root 2. What is the value of root 4? 2. So 2 root 2. We got this. CD is equal to 2 root 2. So AB, BC, CD are completed. Now AD. Where is AD? This one. AD. So AD is nothing but the distance between the points A and D, where A is minus 1 comma 2 and D is minus 3 comma 0. So A minus 1 comma minus 2. So x1 is equal to minus 1, y1 is equal to minus 2, and D minus 3 comma 0. So x2 is equal to minus 3 and y2 is equal to 0. So simply substituting these values x1, y1, x2, y2 in the formula, we get AD. So AD is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square, A and D. So x2 minus 3 minus of minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, A, D. So y2 0 minus of minus 2 whole square. So that is equal to, we get minus 3 minus of minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus of minus 2 whole square. See here, minus 3 minus into minus plus, minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. So minus 2 whole square is minus 2 into minus 2, that is 4. So we get here 4 square plus 0 minus of minus 2. Minus into minus plus. So 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 square, that is 4. So we get here 4. So that is equal to square root of 4 plus 4. Understand na? 4 plus 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. That is equal to root 8. And root 8 can be written as 4 2s are 8. That is equal to root 4 into 2. So I can write this root 4 into 2 as root 4 into root 2. What is the value of root 4? 2. So that is equal to 2 root 2. So we got all sides AB, BC, CD and AD. Just observe, these four sides are equal. So one condition is completed. Now we have to verify whether the diagonals are also equal or not. So first find the first diagonal, BD. You see here, this one BD. So BD is nothing but the distance between the points B and D, where B is 1, 0 and D is minus 3, 0. So B is nothing but 1, 0, that is x1 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to 0, and D minus 3, 0, that is x2 is equal to minus 3, y2 is equal to 0. Just simply substituting these values x1, y1, x2, y2 in the formula, we get BD. So that is equal to BD is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square, BD, this one and this one, x2 minus x1 whole square minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus y2 BD, y2 minus y1 whole square, 0 minus 0 whole square, that is equal to square root of minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square. So minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. So minus 4 whole square is minus 4 into minus 4, minus into minus plus 4 into 4, 16. We get here 16 plus 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 square is 0. So we get to square root of, that is equal to root of 16 plus 0. Understand? Na? So root 16 plus 0 is root 16. That is equal to, what is root 16? 4 4 is 16. That is equal to 4 units. So BD, one diagonal is complete. Now we find another diagonal AC. AC is nothing but the distance between the points A and C, where A is equal to, A is minus 1 comma minus 2 and C is minus 1 comma 2. So from the distance formula, A minus 1 comma minus 2 is x1 is equal to minus 1, y1 is equal to minus 2, and C minus 1 comma 2. So from distance formula, x2 is equal to minus 1, y2 is equal to 2. Just simply substituting these values x1, y1, x2, y2 in the distance formula, we get AC. So AC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square, AC. So A is here and C is here, x2 minus x1. So minus 1 minus of minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, AC. A is here, C here, y2 2 and y1 is minus 2. So y2 minus y1, 2 minus of minus 2 whole square, that is equal to root of minus 1 minus of minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus of minus 2 whole square. See here, minus 1 minus into minus plus, so plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1, 0. So 0 square, we get 0 here in this place, plus 2 minus of minus plus, so 2 plus 2, that is 4. 4 square, we get 16 here. So that is equal to root of 0 plus 16. Got it, na? So 0 plus 16 is nothing but 16. That is root 16. That is equal to root 16. What is the value of root 16? 4 4s are 16. That is equal to 4 units. We got BD and AC. If you understand the problem, please give a like, and for further more videos, subscribe Maths for 111 111 YouTube channel.